Power up. Perfect. Front right here, rear camera, in cabin, rear camera, and the video is coming in choppy.
Blame us.
I can show you that it is actually 4K.
And that's what I was trying to tell you. Like when we first went there, I already picked up
in
on
cabin and 1080p in the rear. The compression of the files is why it looks so choppy and grainy. But if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll be able to show you exactly how clear the camera lenses are.
Of both?
Yes. So I have
what?
I would probably choose John.
No!
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so continue on about the live show.
Well,
so you're not having
the door called me a chump like 6 times, and then that stuck. And so now I started calling myself a chump, and now we call it.
I have a good question. You brought this up. Sorry, then we'll go back to your show. Would you rather have sex with David Fedora or John Jansen?
I've been privy to the anatomy
of both.
Yes, so I probably.
I
think I would probably choose John.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so continue on about the live show.
Well,
so you're not having no show. Well, I am really distracted that you both picked John.
I think he's pretty good at that, John. Just from what I heard.
Everybody, just so you guys know, I'm gonna break the fourth wall like sided, but like everybody's showing me things in inches, and I'm unwell.
Okay. When is the things coming in? When's the text money coming in?
I don't know.
Okay.
Every time I check, it's in review.
Okay, that's kind of what I want.
So as you can see, it really does capture video in 4K for the front cabin as well as 1080p for the in cabin. To operate the camera, you got to press the buttons on the bottom of the camera. This is not touchscreen. For the touchscreen option, you would want the Redtiger F7. Unfortunately, the F7 is lacking an in-camera camera. The instruction manual and all the features that come with the Redtiger F17 4K dash camera. I highly recommend this camera. It does everything from a parking monitor to GPS, Wi-Fi enabled, all of that. Continuous loop recording, including memory card, 64 gigabytes. What more can you ask for? I got this for the wife for Mother's Day, for extra security. So I suggest you guys do the same. All right, that about wraps up the video. I highly recommend this camera. This has been a Dark Radar production. Till next time, be well. I give it 3 thumbs up. Perfect.